So, you're thinking about dipping your toes into the world of cryptocurrency, huh? And you've heard about Wealthsimple, this investment app that's been making waves. But here's the burning question: what crypto is actually on Wealthsimple? Let's dive in and find out. First off, let's talk about what Wealthsimple actually is. It's an investment platform that has managed to simplify investing for a lot of people. They offer everything from stocks and ETFs to robo-advisors and, yes, cryptocurrency. But we're here to focus on the crypto side of things. Now, the crypto market is a roller coaster. It's volatile, it's exciting, and it can be downright confusing. So, it's understandable that you'd want a platform that makes it a bit more accessible. This is where Wealthsimple comes in. But let's get to the heart of the matter. What cryptocurrencies can you actually buy on Wealthsimple? Well, it's not a full-blown crypto exchange. You won't find every single coin and token under the sun. But they do offer a solid selection of some of the biggest and most established cryptocurrencies out there. We're talking about the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two heavyweights of the crypto world. These are the ones that have been around the longest and have the largest market capitalizations. If you're new to crypto, these are probably the ones you've heard of. But Wealthsimple doesn't stop there. They also offer exposure to a basket of other cryptocurrencies through a product called the Wealthsimple Crypto ETF. This is a bit like owning a piece of multiple cryptocurrencies at once. It's a good option for those who want to diversify their crypto portfolio without having to buy each coin individually. Now, you might be wondering why Wealthsimple has chosen this specific selection of cryptocurrencies. Well, it comes down to a few factors. First, they want to offer their users exposure to the most established and liquid cryptocurrencies. Second, they need to ensure that the cryptocurrencies they list meet their regulatory requirements. And third, they want to provide a mix of cryptocurrencies that cater to different investor risk profiles. But remember, just because a cryptocurrency is available on Wealthsimple doesn't mean it's right for you. Crypto investing is risky, and it's essential to do your own research before putting any money in. Wealthsimple, like any other investment platform, is just a tool. It's up to you to make informed decisions. So, to summarize, Wealthsimple offers a curated selection of cryptocurrencies, primarily focusing on Bitcoin and Ethereum. They also provide a crypto ETF for those looking for diversification. While this might not be the most extensive list of cryptocurrencies out there, it's a solid starting point for many investors. But remember, the crypto market is constantly evolving. New cryptocurrencies are emerging all the time, and existing ones can rise and fall dramatically. What's available on Wealthsimple today might be different tomorrow. So, should you invest in crypto through Wealthsimple? Well, that's a decision only you can make. Consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and do your own research. And remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.